Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete an inventory adjustment from start to finish. Performing an inventory adjustment can be a necessary task for a variety of reasons, such as correcting errors, tracking losses or damages, or updating inventory counts due to new stock arrivals. To perform an inventory adjustment, select Pallet Adjustment from the home screen. Enter the required information into the fields below, including customer for the item, pallet ID, item number, adjustment type, reason for adjustment, and any notes needed. Enter the adjusted quantity to the QTY field. If supervisor approval is required, click Submit to send an adjustment request. If no approval is needed, check the Approve Now option, then click Submit. You have now successfully completed an inventory adjustment. Congratulations, and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.